Hi all, we just thought of making a very casual video after doing a wonderful hair replacement fixing here. We at Heads are very happy to have Anuraj here, and he's a model and a businessman in Bangalore. We have few centers here in the city and all across India and Malaysia as well. We're very happy to have Anuraj here doing the hair fixing from us. How do you feel, Anuraj?
I feel very happy now, and I'm very much confident also. Thank you, Jay. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Hope you all enjoy this, and we will be showing you some glimpses of the fixing procedure on this. Enjoy, and it's only one line, live with passion. Thank you. Before fixing, we have seen him. After fixing with me, a glimpse back, and we're going to have some trials with him with the most advanced silicone wire bonding method with a advanced Mirage system exclusively through Heads hair fixing. Let's watch. First you would have thought, what am I holding on my hands? This is a Mirage most advanced hair system which we are going to try on Anuraj, and Anuraj is going to change completely with full-on hair as his requirement with this kind of natural hair system. So let's try something which is really good, which matches his texture, his size and his color. We have a custom-made hair system purely imported from South Korea. You're going to try out the system. Just to blend with this existing color, texture and size. It goes perfect blend with this existing texture. How do you contact us? Contact us here. See you all soon.